This is a demonstration of how to install and use Herbox dispensers. In all packages with dispensers, you'll also find this plastic folder with keys, some different stickers, a toilet door sign, screw, and a manual with measurements for installation. There are two different ways to install the dispenser. If using screw, use the manual to easily mark out the holes in order to install it. If using double-sided mounting tape, make sure the surface is clean. Make sure to only use mounting tape on tiled walls. If needed, wipe it off with a cloth. Use the key to open the front lid before securing it to the wall. Remember to refill menstrual products after the dispenser is installed on the wall. This is a dispenser for tampons and pads, but if you have a dispenser with only tampons or with liners and pads, the refill technique works similar. Before refilling the dispenser, rip off the tape and remove the side lid. Place the products horizontally and make sure they're placed properly and straight. Put back the side lid. The dispenser is now ready for use. Remember that we have a time delay, which means that you can only take out one product at a time to reduce waste. Add this sticker so that facility staff easily can get instructions of how to refill the dispenser. Add the other sticker to the side of the dispenser so that users easily can scan the QR code to read more about our products, to flag when it runs empty, or to get in contact with us. Put up the door sign outside the toilet with help of these pieces of tape so people easily can locate where menstrual products are accessible. Thank you for choosing Herbox. If further questions arise, you're more than welcome to contact us.